In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change background color on Instagram story. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Before you get into the video, subscribe and also turn on the notifications for more interesting videos similar to this. Now in order to change your background color on Instagram stories, let's head over to Instagram first. Now on the story tab of Instagram, simply select or take a story first. Now after you do that, now all you need to do is tap on this option on the top, and as soon as you do that, you can see all of the different colors that you can pick from. Now simply tap on the color that you want to add and then tap and hold on the screen. After a few seconds, you can see that the background of your Instagram story has now been changed. You can also do the same for any other color that you want. So that was a quick video on how to change background color on Instagram stories. If you guys enjoyed and found this video to be helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.